This is a Drive Mobility companion chair. This will be mostly how to replace the brake cable, but mostly for my personal reminder. But if you find it helpful, that's fine. So the brake cable, you can buy it at the local bike shop or Canadian Tire if you're Canadian. And let's go now and look at the components. There, top left hand, where the or middle left hand side, the cable runs into a little sprocket thing. Let's have a look at that. It has a slit in the side, so that's going to be how you slide the cable into it. This is the new cable. Notice on the middle right hand side there's a little knob. Make sure that when you buy the cable you get the right size for that. When you chop a new cable, it tends not to get frayed at the end, such as what you're seeing there, right? That's very important because later on you're going to have to slip it through the sleeve, and if it's all frayed, it's very difficult to do and very frustrating. So in any event, top middle of the page, there's two hex ports where the hex nuts went. They need to come out. Very top of the screen in the middle, there's a Phillips screw. I'm not sure whether that even needs to come out, but I did. So basically, we're going to slide the new cable into the handle, and let's have a look at that now. So the handle's off now. So the knob at the end of the wire slides into a slit in the barrel there. You tug it through, and so there on the left-hand side, you can see the cable is pulled taut. I'm squeezing the under my thumb is the barrel, and then to the middle, to the right, there's a little sleeve that needs to match up with that other hole in the to the right of my thumb, and then another barrel, a smaller one, will slide through both of them, and then that handle will squeeze together. Once that is done, while holding everything in place, trying to keep the cable on the left taut, you need to tighten up that barrel though. You slide the whole unit in, match the holes, the hex holes in the top with the handle holes, and slip it all in together. So it's somewhat cumbersome to do, but with a little bit of time and patience, it can be done. When that is done, you go retrieve the old black sleeve and slide the cable through it, and then when you're done that, you can reassemble the bottom part of the brake assembly near the wheel, and that's covered in a different video. There it is put back together. So that's a reminder. Bye for now.